Hello friends, welcome you in this InstaBank review. In this InstaBank review, I'm going to share with you a cloud-based software where you can get a free CB affiliate commission through this Instagram, and you can get the free traffic from Instagram on autopilot for your ClickBank affiliate. So if you don't have a website, don't have a list, and even you are a new brand, you can use this app and get more traffic and more commissions on your CB affiliate link. So go to the description box and get the link. But before you go to the link and check out this page, I'm going to show you something useful about this software. So you can see here Sales has $592 a day ClickBank commission from Instagram traffic. You can get the free traffic through the Instagram on your CB affiliate link through this app. This is a really helpful app. You can see here it's means 100% done for you, and you just three simple steps need to done for get this free traffic as well. Here you can see here the directions of use this app, as well as it's a creator and different screenshots and snapshots from different earners, and by if you want to get the profit in June 2021, it will really helpful for you. And it's upgrades here, you can see here it's upgrades and it's benefits and who should use this app and how it will benefit for you. You can see here you need to just 5 clicks away from this app, and here's some snapshots from different earners earnings who has used this app. Also, you'll get here DFS solutions. Here you can see here it's a pros and cons, and you can see here it's a bonuses and free packages with it, and it's a prices here, and some snapshots from different earners earning, and don't purchase based on screenshots. Before you purchase, you must watch this video.
You're just 4 clicks away from getting your affiliate link in front of 500 million buyers. And all you need to do is add your ClickBank nickname once. Click the blast button, then plug your affiliate links into a traffic goldmine with over 500 million buyers. So you can start earning commissions from ClickBank with free buyer traffic in as little as 60 seconds. So, are you in? Okay, great. Now here's what this is all about. Hi, Rich here, and I'm a ClickBank super affiliate. That means I make daily commissions right now in 2021 with the world's biggest affiliate network, ClickBank. Now, I'm sure you've heard of ClickBank. They paid out over $2 billion to affiliates like you. I should know, that's how I'm generating daily sales on autopilot. In fact, thousands of marketers like me are making thousands of dollars promoting ClickBank offers today. That's right, people just like you are making commissions right now in 2021. Sounds great, right? But there's a problem. If you want to profit with ClickBank in 2021, you need to pick a profitable niche, choose from the right affiliate program, and then get free traffic fast. Now imagine having to do that for the 10,000 affiliate programs on ClickBank. Ugh! It's no wonder new affiliates don't have the time or the cash to make daily profits with ClickBank in 2021. Until now, that is. But what if there was a solution that could do everything for you? So that choosing a buyer niche was done for you. Finding profitable affiliate programs was done for you. Finding an untapped traffic pool was done for you. And driving free buyer traffic was done for you. In fact, everything to make ClickBank commissions was done for you. Like you outsourced everything to one of the top ClickBank marketers on the planet. Sounds impossible, right? Well, not anymore. Presenting InstaBank, a new 4-click software app that's the world's first done-for-you affiliate traffic suite, with the affiliate marketing and free traffic both done for you in one cloud-based app. Even if you're brand new, don't have a list, and even if you don't have a website, you don't need one because everything from A to Z is done for you. InstaBank automates every aspect of profiting with ClickBank. This turnkey app is packed with thousands of the top converting offers from the world's biggest affiliate network, and you get to keep 100% of the commissions from every sale. In fact, all you need to create your affiliate campaign and start getting traffic is click 4 buttons. And no, you don't need to write a word of content, create videos, or even worry about traffic. It's all done for you and just 4 clicks away. Look at how easy it is with the brand new app. Step 1. Enter your Instagram ID. First, log into the cloud-based software and enter your Instagram account. That's click 1. And don't worry if you don't have an Instagram account yet. It's free to join and takes just a few seconds. Step 2. Choose your affiliate campaign. Next, select your buyer niche. That's click 2. This loads up my list of profitable offers. Then choose the affiliate program you want to profit with. That's click 3. And that's it. Just like that, you've honed in on a $100 a day affiliate program. I know. I make it sound so simple. But remember, as a ClickBank Elite Super Affiliate, I know what sells. That's why I've personally hand-selected every top offer into the app to maximize your profits. And that's not all. I've also preloaded done-for-you campaigns for every affiliate program, with Instagram templates all done for you. So simply click once to pick a niche, and again to choose your affiliate program. And just like that, our incredible software has built an entire campaign for you around your affiliate program. Step 3. Click to get free traffic times 500 million. Now for the fun part, getting traffic. This is normally the hardest part, but with Instabank all you need to do is click once to share your site on the world's biggest traffic sources with over 500 million buyers. See, as a ClickBank Platinum marketer, I've experimented with dozens of traffic methods. Some are free but slow. Some are great but expensive. Most are simply too hard for even pro marketers like me. But in 2021, I found one specific place you will want to promote your affiliate links on. In total, this site gets over 500 million visitors a day. And all 500 million of these people are looking for the exact kind of products you'll be selling. Can you guess the traffic source? Of course, I'm talking about Instagram. And my software automatically drives traffic from this huge social network on autopilot. Just enter the name of your Instagram account and watch as the software does the rest. It's the combination of my 500 million traffic sources with my $100 a day hand-selected affiliate programs. That makes my one-stop software app so powerful. Literally everything you need to start making daily ClickBank commissions is done for you. From niche selection to choosing the affiliate program, from creating your campaign to creating your video, from finding the best traffic to actually getting the traffic, it's all taken care of. So just to recap, Step 1. Enter your ClickBank affiliate ID. Click 1. Step 2. Choose your niche and affiliate program. Click 2 and 3. Step 3. Plug into 500 million buyers. Click 4. With my new app, you never need to write a thing. There's no design or video creation. You don't need a website or any paid ads. In fact, all you need to do to create a new affiliate campaign is click a few buttons. My new affiliate traffic software platform does the rest. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, and you'll be getting traffic from 500 million buyers. Simply log into the software, click a few times to build your campaign, then click again to launch it into my 500 million traffic pool. Then turn around and do it another 500 times for all of the affiliate programs I've included. That's over $30,000 of ClickBank commissions built right into the software. This is your chance to become a super affiliate by leveraging all our hard work. And yes, if you're an advanced marketer, you can edit my campaigns too. For example, replacing your affiliate link with another website URL or other affiliate link. That means when you've exhausted 60 times done-for-you campaigns, you can tweak them to promote anything you like. Your license includes full customization rights. And yes, you'll always own 100% of the traffic and get to keep 100% of the profits. This is the solution for affiliates and beginners hungry for traffic and sales. Literally everything you need to start making the daily ClickBank commissions you've always dreamed of is done for you by Instabank. Can you follow these 3 steps and click 4 times? Then yes, it can work for you. As long as you have a browser to run the app on, you can dive into the free traffic pool whenever you feel like a cash dip. You could be making money with dozens of affiliate programs every month, just like I'm doing. And with no monthly fees, no costs, no setup time, no writing, and no worrying about traffic. It's the software I would have wanted when I started out. Are you starting to get what I'm saying? For the first time in your life, you're on the inside. Now, Instabank has been in development for over 12 months now. I've been an elite ClickBank marketer for over a decade and getting huge traffic from Instagram for over 5 years. And if you're still seeing this video, you can still get my software app now. But you need to take action right away, right this second. Because with thousands of people hitting this page, this has to be a limited offer. Soon we'll move to a monthly recurring price, and it will be a steal at $97 per month. But why pay $1,000 in a week when you can get it next to nothing today? This is your chance to skip the learning curve in one move, so be sure to grab it with both hands. The smart marketers know that ClickBank is hot right now. They know that Instagram is the biggest traffic source out there. But this opportunity won't be around for more than a few days. In fact, we're going to increase the price every single hour. And then at the end of the week, the price will jump up to a recurring monthly price. But you can get in at the ground floor at a tiny one-time fee. You'll get instant access to the easiest affiliate traffic app on the planet. And unlike other apps, Instabank sets you up within seconds. Just this one tool does everything you need to make money online with no monthly fees. Just imagine unlimited affiliate campaigns, unlimited free buyer traffic, unlimited commissions. It's all here at a price that's practically a steal, but only if you act now. So, are you ready to get started? Okay, great. To claim your one-time purchase discount and to see how Instabank changes everything, click the button below for instant access. You're only one click away from unlocking the power of ClickBank with the power of my done-for-you buyer traffic. The first step is to click on the order button below. It's risk-free. Instabank has an unconditional 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it for 60 days, launch some campaigns, get some traffic. Go ahead and make some money. If you still think this is not for you, I'll refund your money, no questions asked. Order right now. Click the link below this video. I'll send you an instant access link to the Instabank app, and you can have your first campaign live in just 60 seconds. You can launch as many campaigns as you like. You can get unlimited free buyer traffic as many times as you like. There's no limit to the affiliate commissions you can make and no monthly fees. You'll get instant access to the software and all the bonuses as soon as you join. And I'll also include personal access to my email address in the members area. Remember, I'm here to help you succeed, but you must act now. Sorry, but with an offer this good, there are no second chances. So what are you waiting for? Click below to get started. You'll then be taken to the payment page, enter your information, and then confirm your payment. You'll get access to my software within under a minute. Don't miss out. Okay, thanks for checking out Instabank, and I'll see you on the inside.
As you saw the review, you can go to the description box and click on the link and check about this software as your understanding and as your concern. Okay, so who should use this app? So as far as I know that this is a brilliant choice for who is a business owner, affiliate marketer, and advertiser, freelancer, as well as entrepreneurs. They can be use this app. It can be a brilliant choice for them, for their business, and for their grow their business and sell their products as well. Subscribe to my channel if you want to get more reviews about softwares and courses.